Ever wondered who's pulling the strings behind those seamless dropshipping experiences? The ones where you find that perfect product, source it reliably, and get it shipped without the headaches. We all know the platforms, the marketplaces, the names like AliExpress and Alibaba. But what about the tools that power them? What about the people who create the solutions that make your online business dreams a reality? Specifically, have you ever stopped to ask, who's the captain steering the ship at SaleHoo? That platform that's become a go-to resource for so many aspiring and seasoned e-commerce entrepreneurs? Let's be honest, in the fast-paced world of online business, it's easy to get lost in the whirlwind of product research, marketing strategies, and customer service. We focus on the what and the how, often forgetting the who. Who are the individuals behind the tools we rely on? Who are the visionaries shaping the future of e-commerce? Think about it. We use Google every day, but how often do we think about Larry Page and Sergey Brin? We scroll through Instagram, but do we truly appreciate the work of Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger? The same principle applies to SaleHoo. It's a powerful tool, but it didn't materialize out of thin air. It was built, nurtured, and guided by a team of dedicated professionals. And at the helm of that team is a leader, a CEO. Now, why does this matter? Why should you care who the CEO of SaleHoo is? Well, understanding the leadership behind a company can provide valuable insights into its values, its mission, and its long-term vision. It can help you gauge the company's stability and its commitment to its customers. After all, a company's leadership sets the tone for everything from product development to customer support. SaleHoo, for those who might be new to it, is essentially a directory and research tool designed to connect online sellers with verified suppliers and dropshippers. It's a platform that aims to simplify the sourcing process, helping entrepreneurs avoid the pitfalls of dealing with unreliable vendors and counterfeit products. In a world where scams and fraudulent suppliers are rampant, SaleHoo offers a sense of security and reliability. It's a curated database of legitimate wholesalers and dropshippers, saving users countless hours of research and reducing the risk of costly mistakes. But again, behind this platform, there's a team, a vision, and a leader. Before we dive into the specifics, let's briefly touch on the landscape of e-commerce today. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving industry, driven by technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. The rise of social commerce, the increasing popularity of mobile shopping, and the growing demand for personalized experiences are just a few of the trends shaping the future of online retail. In this competitive environment, having access to reliable suppliers and efficient sourcing tools is crucial for success. That's where platforms like SaleHoo come into play. They provide entrepreneurs with the resources they need to navigate the complexities of e-commerce and build thriving online businesses. And who is guiding this platform? Who is making the decisions that impact the lives of thousands of entrepreneurs around the world? The CEO of SaleHoo is Simon Slade. Now, Simon Slade isn't just a name on a website. He's a seasoned entrepreneur and a driving force in the e-commerce industry. He's the co-founder of SaleHoo and Affilorama, two platforms that have helped countless individuals achieve their online business goals. Simon's journey into the world of e-commerce began in the early 2000s. A time when online selling was still in its infancy. He recognized the potential of the internet to connect buyers and sellers from around the world, and he set out to create tools that would simplify the process. He saw the challenges faced by aspiring online sellers, the difficulties of finding reliable suppliers, and the risks of dealing with unverified vendors. He understood the need for a platform that would provide a safe and reliable bridge between entrepreneurs and suppliers. And so SaleHoo was born. But Simon's vision extends beyond simply providing a directory of suppliers. He's passionate about empowering entrepreneurs and helping them achieve their dreams. He believes that anyone can build a successful online business with the right tools and resources. This philosophy is reflected in the features and services offered by SaleHoo. The platform provides not only a comprehensive directory of suppliers, but also market research tools, training resources, and a supportive community. It's a holistic approach to e-commerce, designed to guide entrepreneurs every step of the way. Simon's leadership is characterized by a commitment to innovation and a focus on customer satisfaction. He's constantly seeking ways to improve the platform and enhance the user experience. He listens to feedback from the community and incorporates it into the development of new features and services. He understands that the e-commerce landscape is constantly changing, and he's committed to keeping SaleHoo at the forefront of innovation. He's invested in developing new tools and technologies that will help entrepreneurs stay ahead of the curve. His co-founded venture Affiliorama is a testament to his dedication to helping people succeed online. Affiliorama is a comprehensive affiliate marketing training platform that provides users with the knowledge and skills they need to build profitable affiliate marketing businesses. Together, SaleHoo and Affiliorama represent Simon's commitment to empowering entrepreneurs and providing them with the resources they need to achieve their goals. But what does this mean for you, the aspiring or seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur? It means that you're using a platform that's led by a visionary who understands the challenges you face. It means that you're using a tool that's constantly being improved and updated to meet the evolving needs of the e-commerce industry. It means that you're part of a community that's supported by a team of dedicated professionals who are passionate about helping you succeed. Understanding the leadership behind SaleHoo can provide you with a greater sense of confidence and trust in the platform. It can help you appreciate the value of the resources and services it provides. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.